Hello friends, my name is Mani and welcome to our care. Today we have the main important topic is about the APS. A lot of students has been asking us about the APS certificate is required for house building or not. So that is the reason why I thought to make up this video. First we will discuss the importance of APS. Why APS is required? So APS is like a verification of your past documents which might be required by the school. So if you wanted to take an admission in German universities or in German school or for bachelor's or master's, your documents need to be verified. Alright. So when it is need to be verified, then you need to do this from India in the form of APS. The procedure how to do it, I'll share the link in this description. Now it is required for house building or not, that is the most important part which has been asked by several students. So what happens, we have placed n number of students for house building. There were certain schools who have not asked for it, but there are certain schools which needs a verification of the documents from India first, which is in the form of APS certificate, and then those documents need to be legalized from Germany, need to be translated or from state, and then the procedure need to be done further. Now the students come to us and say ki ma'am, why we are asking for the APS, why not other consultants are asking for the APS? The reason is very obvious, that they might not know about the fact that this employer might ask, and we don't want to take up a risk. For an example, you have a March intake and in the month of November the school and the employer says okay, we need the APS certificate. In that case your semester is gone, because APS itself will take some time, right? So that is the reason I would say for all the students who wanted to come to Germany, you should do the APS verification well in advance, because you wanted to pursue your Ausbildung, which is the diploma after the 12th, and get it done. While doing the APS, you just need the 12th class mark sheet, 10th class mark sheet. You don't need the German certificate. So don't wait for the German certificate. Okay, you have a German certificate of B2, certificate of B1, and only you'll pursue APS. That is not the scenario. You can do the APS after your 12th. That's the most important part. Now apart from this, we need to understand very importantly that you should get two contracts, one from the employer, the other from the school. If you do not have these two contracts, please do not apply for the visa. We have seen a lot of rejections. The students have called us from outside and told us ki we got the rejection ma'am, what to do sir, what to do, and what is the reason behind it. So your application should be presented to the German consulate properly, with the proper documentation, and most importantly with the proper category also, right? Please keep in mind, just to get the contract, just to get one part of it, it's not everything is done. Make sure whenever you apply for Ausbildung, your documentation and your visa should have proper sufficient times. For an example, you wanted to take for March intake, try to get everything done by January. If you wanted to go for September intake, try to get everything at least couple of months before. If you have any other question related to Ausbildung, related to nursing, related to bachelor's or master's, we would be very happy to help you out. Keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.